Alright, this is a video for moneyeducation101.org. This is a simple finance keeper. This is an Excel spreadsheet that I made just to help track family finances and our budget. So what I have here is an income tab that allows me to type in our weekly income. We've got the weeks there. So what I can do is I can type in how much we made in a week, whether it's that much or however much you want. You can do the same thing for every month and enter in your income for each week. So let's say we made $500 a week for 400 weeks, or for 4 weeks, sorry. Then what I've created also is a budget tab that you can come over here and go to the budget, and automatically what this does is it pulls the information from that other sheet as to how much money you made in the month of November. What I like to do is have a tab that has savings immediately withdrawn from that money before it shows the disposable income and the money that I would use for the rest of the month. So I've got a cell here, and it can change for each month by, if I wanted to save 15%, maybe it'll automatically calculate that, and then it shows how much money I have left for expenses. Then what I've done is here under expenses, I've just created a bunch of things that we spend money on in the month. So we've got rent, electric, internet, groceries, and so on. So you can come in here and put whatever numbers you want. Like I said, this will then sum up all of your expenses right here. It tallies all of those things. And then this cell right here, what it's doing is it's showing what your income was and subtracting your total expenses. So obviously you would want this number to be a positive number. You want to be able to budget right. But if it's not, I'll show you what happens. If I spent too much money, it shows that it turns red and shows that that month you spent more money than you had, which probably means you have credit card debt or something else to make up for that. So this is a really helpful Excel spreadsheet that I've made. It's one that's not passive like a lot of online things. It's something that I actually have to go in and enter the numbers each month myself, and it keeps me accountable and allows me to see what's going on with your money. Another feature that I really like about this is, let's say you were doing credit card debt or living off of credit cards. You notice how this has a net total of negative $1,350. It automatically for the next month brings that up and shows that as a negative. So you can see it'll change throughout January, February, March. It continues on unless you have a really good month with your income. It's going to continue to show that you're having expenses carry over from each month, like I said, the credit card debt, for example. So if you continue to go into debt, notice how the month of November the debt was $1,350, but even just by doing one monthly expense for the month of December, January's debt continues to build unless you come back over here to this income sheet and you know you're making significantly more than what you're spending. So this is just a helpful little sheet that I've made that helps me with my finances and helps track things. It helps me see where me and my family are at and what we're doing. So that's that. Like I said, it's just a great little budget, and it shows everything that I want to. I love that it carries over the debt, and if there is no debt, then that number goes away. So net income is definitely a good thing. So you want these totals to stay green. So that's my video.